Today I'm going to answer a very simple question of how to maintain the Gadley GTS1200 sweeper. A very commonly asked question is, how do I change a main brush? Whilst on first glance it might be daunting, it's actually quite easy. First thing we do is we open the cover up, and there's one of these knobs here. We undo this knob here, that undoes, and this will open up the side cover. So in very easy terms, the process is very simply, we just need a bunch of spanners, as we have here. And then we start up here. We have to unloosen this bolt here, this bolt, and this bolt. So just watch me in action. So here we go to start with. Let's undo this one here. Clip number one, right here. Clip number two, right here. They're all finger clips. Clip number three. Okay, this will just take the side panel off as we do it. Here we go. So now what I'm going to do is start removing these ones here. One, we put them aside with the washers. Take this one off. Again with a washer. To the side, and we undo this bolt up here, which is just bounced up here. I've loosened it up anyway. We take this one off like so it doesn't hold. Okay, then what we do, this will come out, piece number one, the spring, piece number two, and the panel will pull out from there. So here it is, piece number one, piece number two, piece number three, and a few bolts and fasteners. These obviously for our side covers, which we can leave 1, 2, 3, 4. The large one for the side door. So there they are. Piece number one, piece number two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will come out, and we pull our brush out, and that's how it sits in like so. So there we go. The process is very simple. We start by opening the side cover. On the left hand side we have these processes. And again, I'll put it back in and we'll start again. Your best friend at times can be a simple marker like this, and also having the right spanners to do the right job. So again, we push the brush back in. The brush now sits in flush like so. Piece number two is our idle plate. We put it in this way, as you can see with a hole, lines up through our main brush. We line it up, and therefore we start using our 3 clips. So once that's done, we have a spring that sits in here, again lifting up your idler plate, and then it's really important that we put the plate on. So I've marked it here, this is the front, 1, 2, and it sits on like so. So we sit that in like so, we lift these two up, and then we have a bolt here which locks it into place. And to make life a little bit easier for everybody concerned, just make that nice and tight with your fingers. Nice little nifty socket. We just turn around, tighten that right up as best you can so it doesn't move. Okay, it's nice and tight. Then of course we use our little screws again, and little nuts, our little wing nuts and washers. We connect these up like this. Nice and tight. That one also will be nice and tight. We can use a little spanner if you like to tighten it up. Tighten them up. We get our socket again. We tighten this bolt up here. Lock it in. It's locked in there. Then we have one last one when we close the door. There's a bolt there. Locks in like so. And your brush change is complete.